Guys, I just made these chicken fajitas in the air fryer and they are incredible. Let me show you how I made them. I have almost 2 pounds of chicken thighs cut up. Adding an assortment of peppers and purple onion. Let's add spices, tajin, garlic powder, a little bit of cumin and salt. Olive oil. Now I'm gonna divide the chicken and vegetables into my 2 amazing air fryer drawers. To the air fryer. They were in for about 12 minutes. And now I'm going to toss them and I will put them in again. Air fryer chicken fajitas. Let's make a taco while they're nice and hot. Cilantro and onion, why not? Salsita verde, why not? These air fryer chicken fajitas are so good.